Have you ever seen how you can create this real-time typing indicator and what I'm typing in the real time? My opposite user is just showing in real time like that. So hello. So just imagine that. How cool is that? It is very simple and nothing is hard in here. It's just few lines of code, and I have just created this in real time. This is just to tab or to browser, and it can be just two separate countries, separate anywhere in the world. User will be able to get real-time typing indicators in both of group chat and also single chat. And what I'm typing, opposite side user is displaying what I'm typing, like hello, my name is AWebCode. Okay, just send. Wow, great. It is just real-time messaging. This project is ongoing, and I will show you every feature, and I will create this project from beginning. And if I open on it, and now if I type something, hi, wow, you can see the typing indicator is just displaying and on the bottom and on the chat header. Whatever I'm typing, it is just real time opposite users, not single users, opposite group of user is able to preview what I'm just typing. Like okay, if I select emoji, like how it is just cool. Hi, great invention. Exchange. Oh, it's real time. Great. And this project is ongoing. Not only that, if I type anywhere, good job. Okay, what I'm typing, it is just real time project users able to preview. And if I open another chat like brand 45, and if you type here, great, and I back, and oh sorry, and if I type here, hi, wow, just the exact user, just we are passing this event only this specific user, not all user. Okay, so without manually joining on every room, we are getting the messages and typing indicators. Also will implement notifications and lot of things, and we'll combine this everything from Messenger and WhatsApp, and we'll create a combined just full featured chat application. That was a overview for this feature for typing indicators, and I love this, and that's why I'm just making this video to showing you how cool is that. So I will discuss about every features of this set application. So I'll create everything here. It is reusable. I'll create from scratch, and I'll discuss every features, and we'll together create this full application from scratch. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm coming to so here, and not only that, if I type something and not sent, it's immediately it is just dropped, it is just saved. If I refresh, oh, it is cool, it is great, it is just not removed, it has just persisted. Okay, so how cool is that? It is like we'll know how we can show typing indicators in real-time preview, draft, how we can save the draft text, and manage state globally. Also real-time indicators for who is active or deactive or disabled. Okay, this is our ongoing chat application, and if I type something at here, great job. Oh, great. Oh, wait, the last chat is just appearing on the top of the list. Not only that, and here also it is just updated. Okay, and if I go to another chat called, which chat belongs, yeah, 71. If I type something here, oh, hi, oh, it's cool. If I type from here, hello, AWebCode, great. This is we are previewing. It's real time. Not only that, if we click here, and we'll be able to block user notifications, we'll just delete users document, we will able to preview documents and everything. I'll make another video for discussing every features of this application, and if we click here, then we'll be able to show call. So this video for just showing typing indicators. So I'm just closing this video. I'll create another video to discuss about every feature of this app, and I'll create everything from scratch for you. So thank you so much.